Today we want to plan. Planning is something very important. For me it was very important that I first have this chair in, this fold-away chair, because it's very fixed. Now I want to see where I want to put the kitchen, where I want to put the toilet, the bed. I have already quite some ideas, so otherwise I wouldn't have started. But now I can measure it out, get already the feel and get the vibe. Planning is something very important, so please do take your time. Hit the subscribe button, hit like, and I hope to see you around. Bye for now.